Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I transformed this coffee table cart thing from this to this. If you want to learn how to do so yourself, or you just want to see the process, then just keep on watching. So I started off by sanding the surface of the table with 60 grit sandpaper, and guys, don't be like me and please wear a mask. It was pretty difficult to reach some of the areas with the sander, so I just sanded them by hand. I did the exact same thing to the bottom. The only difference is I had to sand off some clear coat that was originally on the table by hand and then go in with the sander. That's how it ended up looking like, and again, the sander did not reach some areas that well, so I just did them by hand. I then went in with 80 grit sandpaper to go over the surfaces again, just to smooth them out, and I honestly regret doing this step so much because it left parts of the table with scratches, and I mean, it didn't look too bad, but if I could go back, I'd just completely skip that step. I then used some cleaner just to clean off any dust and prep the table before painting. For paint, I used Rust-Oleum Ultra Matte Black spray paint. Before painting, I did use paper to cover up the surfaces I sanded, just so I wouldn't get paint on them. And if you don't have any of the brown paper bag material, then newspaper, a garbage bag, or any wrapping paper is a good alternative. Also, again, don't be like me, use a mask, not your shirt. To seal the sanded surfaces, I used Super Gloss Mod Podge. To apply the sealer, I used a sponge applicator, and I'll admit this step was a lot easier than I thought. I was scared of overworking the product, causing it to leave streaks, but I feel like using the sponge brush helped, as opposed to using a brush. Here, I'm showing you a clip in real time just so you can see the actual process of applying it. I feel like a lot of people are going to be confused by this, but I already had this product at home and it does say you can use it to seal furniture, so I thought whatever, let me just try it out. It is water resistant and it ended up curing just fine, so please don't come at me. this is the before and after. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.